Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your iPad model and current version, so you pick the correct iOS file. Make a full backup to iCloud or to your computer. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, free at least 5 to 10 GB of space and ensure battery is above 50% or connect the charger. If you plan to use a manual IPSWA, download the exact file for your model now so you don't halt mid-restore. You'll either install via Settings General Software Update for OTA or connect to Finder/iTunes for a manual IPSWA restore. Make sure you select Update versus Restore if you want to keep data. Choose Restore only when necessary. If the device is unresponsive, put it into Recovery or DFU mode using the model-specific button sequence. This allows the computer to reinstall firmware. While the transfer runs, you finish by completing the on-device setup. Sign in with your Apple ID, restore your backup, and reauthorize apps and services. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active for activation. Check your SIM if it's a cellular model. If activation or restore fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Reattempt the restore in DFU mode using a different certified cable and USB port and update Finder or iTunes on your computer. This resolves most firmware and connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.